we're going to show you today how to do a leak check utilizing some typical meters that you see at your house. I'll make sure all the water inside the house is off. Then you'll go out to your meter box and we're going to take a look at the meter to determine if we've actually got water flowing through the water pipes. So this would be a traditional style meter, what we call a mechanical style meter. If you don't have any type of leak, you shouldn't see any movement on the meter at all. There might be some customers that have the solid state meter. This particular meter reads down to hundredths of gallons, so you'll see a decimal point after the 4 there. It also has a flow indicator on it. So if you don't have any flow going through the meter, you're either going to have this ERR message or 0. This third meter, it's another solid state meter. It does not have a flow indicator. A little bit different leak check on this one. We've kind of shown you what it would look like if you didn't have any leak. You'd come out, your meter should be stationary. Now, if you were to have everything turned off in your house and you had a leak on the service line or maybe a leak on some interior plumbing, we're going to show you what that would look like. On your mechanical style meter, we've got this little pinwheel, what we call a low flow indicator or leak indicator. This is a great indicator that there's something going on, water's flowing through the meter, you possibly have some type of leak. On this type of meter, you can see the flow rate here. Press this little indicator here. It'll toggle back between the flow rate and our reading. And you can see here it's a flow rate of 0.44 gallons per minute. If you didn't have anything running in your house, you should see a 0 there. Right now we've got half a gallon of flow, which indicates there's some kind of leak on the system. And then on this meter, like we were saying earlier, it doesn't have a flow indicator, but you can see where the hundredths of a gallons is creeping up slowly as the water's going through. If you had something smaller, it might not be quite as visible as it is now. So on this one, it's really important to write down that reading, wait an hour, and then come back and check that reading. And you're gonna be able to see if you had water going through the meter, it's gonna register on. So with any of these meters, whether it's got the the little dial leak indicator or not, it's always a good idea to write that reading down, wait for at least an hour, and then come back. If you've got a very small, minor leak that's going through that meter, 5-10 minutes, you might not notice that. Whereas if you give it at least a good hour, you're gonna see that leak on the meter. You're gonna see some kind of change. If you have any questions, any concerns, always feel free to call our main office. We can help you out, answer any questions you might have. If you need somebody to help run you through doing a leak check, we're more than happy to help you with that.